Now for me, a ride is more than just a ride, just to go enjoy myself. It's the way I try to stay in shape, both with the painting and both with the try. The word try here is the big word. But I think old age is starting to win, but as long as I can keep riding, I'm going to keep riding. There's no doubt in my mind that does help you stay in shape quite a bit, more than you think. When I come back from a ride, I'm exhausted. Now today the temperatures are slated to go up into the high 40s and maybe even the low 50s, and we don't want to waste a day like this. At this time of year, these days come fewer and further between, and we plan to get a ride today. If everything goes the way we plan, it'll be sunny and bright. They say no chance of rain. I'm not holding my breath. But Steve's job has been sitting in the garage overnight. It just looks just like a dried up like jewelry. Unbelievably beautiful. He did a great job on that. So it's time to pre-flight the R1 and check out everything else in the garage. Make sure the battery tenders are on. Karen's got the coffee cooking away. What could be better? And it looks like so far the sun is out. Now if you live in a part of the country where it isn't a big deal to have a nice day and you have 365 days a year, well, here we probably have a lot less. And when we get a day like this was a very big surprise. You never know. And a lot of times a day like this goes south in a hurry, but sometimes you sneak in a great ride. And the truth is, when paint is drying and we got some of the parts for this project drying away, a ride is even better. When salami is free, it always tastes better. And when I'm out here in the morning flipping battery tenders and looking at the bikes, every time I look at any of these restorations that I've done, I always think, boy, those winter months in the garage when it was freezing cold, and I was thinking, oh, spring will never come. Well, spring always comes, and if the restoration is done, you're in good shape. If spring doesn't come, it means you live in Alaska or somewhere. And we are really looking forward to a ride. We haven't ridden in about 10 days. And especially a ride on the R1 where you're holding on for dear life a good part of the ride. It is a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun, and I've owned this baby since it was new. I've got it all dialed into my body type and my riding style. And every time I ride this, it's always a thrill to me. So now we got to mount up the radar detector, make sure we have plenty of extra batteries for the cameras because we're going to be out on a road here. And in this cold weather, you never want to go out without a spare battery. I have that battery jumper. You never know. But it's going to be 50 degrees. I just can't believe how nice this day is looking so far. left on the trees, not many leaves. Now listen to the church chimes in the background here. What a beautiful day. I'm so glad we got to steal a ride and listen to some CROSSPLANE music. Boy, if there's a nicer sounding bike on the planet, I haven't heard it. Love that CROSSPLANE motor. Anyway, hope you enjoyed sharing the video. Tomorrow we get back to full-time restoration. And thanks for watching. Listen to those chimes. Wow. Makes you want to go to church.